Hello, and thank you for taking an interest in GCSE Geography. My name is Mr. Moore. I am the head of Geography, and I have been the head of Geography for 8 years now. We have two other really highly qualified members of staff who teach GCSE, have done for many years now. So if you do choose Geography, you know you're going to have a specialist teacher. The content for Geography is 3 exams. So they're paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3, which is done over the May and June of the exam season. Paper 1 is physical geography, and it's in 3 sections. There's natural hazards, there's ecosystems, and there are UK environment. So the natural hazards is tectonics, tropical storms and climate change, and the ecosystems section is tropical rainforests and hot deserts, while the UK landforms is about coasts and glaciation. And there's a main theme going through it, which is opportunities and challenges and management. And we use up-to-date case studies, and obviously any case studies that kids see on the news are going to be relevant and useful as well. Paper 2 is human geography, so that's more linked to things like urban areas. We look at Rio, we look at a UK city, which is Bristol. We then move on to development, and we look at development across the world, and we use the UK, and we contrast it to places like Africa and Nigeria. We also look at urban sustainability in places like Germany, and then we move on to the UK economy, which is interesting. It's about how we live in this country in terms of how we use industry and how it links to the environment. And then finally we move on to resources. Paper 3 is linked to fieldwork. There is a fieldwork inquiry that the students must attend, and we normally do it in Hunstanton. So your exam will be on your fieldwork, so it's really, really important you attend. And then we also have a pre-release booklet, which is given 12 weeks for the exam, and students are given questions on that pre-release booklet. We're not sure what it is. It can be any part of the course. Just other things that you need to know is that we set homework most weeks. They are normally quizzes on Chapter 1. Sometimes there's revision quizzes and revision activities for assessments. Intervention is normally given for students in Year 11 for support. And the last thing I'm going to tell you, because I know I've gone on a little bit here, is the fact that we use AQA, and I would encourage you students to purchase one of these books, because a lot of our work, a lot of our case studies is using this book. Okay, so if you have any further questions about geography, if you'd be able to do it, if you'd be confident enough to do it, please see me or your current teacher, and we're more than happy to give you some advice and support. Hopefully see you in Year 10 and 11. Thank you very much. Bye.